Huion Kamvas Pro 16:2 5K tablet is a high-quality graphics tablet that is designed for professionals and serious artists. It features a large, high-resolution display that provides crisp, clear images and accurate color representation. The tablet also has a sleek, slim design that is both portable and easy to use. One of the standout features of the Huion Kamvas Pro 16 tablet is its pressure sensitivity. The tablet has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which allows you to create fine lines, smooth gradations, and subtle shading with ease. This makes it an ideal tool for creating detailed drawings, paintings, and other digital art. The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 tablet is also equipped with a range of useful features that make it easy to use. It has a user-friendly interface that allows you to access all of the tablet's features with just a few clicks. It also has a variety of customizable shortcuts that make it easy to access your favorite tools and settings. In addition to its performance features, the Huion Kamvas Pro 16 tablet is also designed for comfort and durability. It has a comfortable, ergonomic design that reduces fatigue and allows you to work for long periods of time without discomfort. It is also built to be long-lasting, with a durable construction that is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Overall, the Huion Kamvas Pro 16:2 5K tablet is a top-quality choice for professionals and serious artists. Its high-resolution display, pressure-sensitive and customizable features make it an ideal tool for creating digital art of all kinds. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this tablet is sure to exceed your expectations.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la.